Welcome to Think Energy. Today we will show you how to reduce your electricity bill while keeping your billing with the same provider. This is completely free for residents in your state. No credit card needed, no catch, just pure clean energy. Start saving without changing suppliers. Enrolling is completely free and only takes less than 3 minutes. Just watch this tutorial video. Enter your zip code to view your savings and start your path to 100% clean energy.
So what you would do is just put in your zip code, and I'm just going to put in the one for Woodstock, New York. It's going to say view rates, and then it's going to say Central Hudson, gas and electric, and you'll hit sign up. So then you'll fill out your information, and then when it comes to the account number, and I'm just going to go over here to the Central Hudson website, they have a 11-digit number. And so you're not going to need all these 11 digits. You're going to leave this last one off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2. All right. So 10 digits. You've got this green check mark. And then confirm the account number. You put everything in. It'll ask you, it'll say next. And then it'll ask you for your email address. And then they will send you an email to confirm, and once that's done, within 2 billing cycles or so, you will be onto the Think Energy platform.